Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to use your Google Maps offline. So let's get started. First, open your Google Maps on your device. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right of the screen. Then a new window will open up with few more options. Among them, tap on Offline Maps. Now, to select the map that you want to use offline, tap on Select Your Own Map. And guys, here is where you select the area that you want to use offline. So go ahead and select the area that you want to use offline. Make sure the area that you want to use offline comes under this blue rectangle. Once that's done, tap on Download. And now we have successfully saved our map for offline usage as well. Now you can use the map even when you are offline. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.